So we're going to make banana bread. The first things you're going to do is you need a bowl, and then you will have to peel the banana. Hi everybody, now we peel the bananas and put them in the bowl and mash them. Now we're going to start mashing them. Here we go. Now we got the ingredients for a banana bread. Some all-purpose flour, some brown vanilla, baking soda, butter, some tablespoons, and a measuring cup, 2 eggs, and some brown sugar. We got our ingredients all set up, and we have all the ingredients measured. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs beaten, mashed banana. We're going to put all of these ingredients in the mashed banana, and then we're going to mix it. Here we go. Now we're done. Look at it. Now we're going to put these 2 ingredients. Now we're going to put the baking soda. And this vanilla is my secret ingredient. Okay. Now we got the baking soda. Now we're going to put it in here. Now we're going to put the secret ingredient. Hi everybody. We put all the ingredients in the bowl. Now we have this electric mixer, and we're going to mix it. Now we put all the ingredients in the bowl, and we're mixing it with the electric mixer. Now I'm going to talk about this bread pan. We put in wax paper, and then we're going to pour this in to this. Here we go. Everybody, now everything for this banana bread is all set in the bread cooker. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Hi everybody. Now we finished making the batter, and the oven is heated at 350. And we're going to put the batter in for 60 minutes. Hi everybody, we finished the banana bread. Now we're going to poke a hole, but if the batter is thick, it's not finished. That means we have to cook it even more. Let's put the hole in it. I guess it's all cooked. Look, there's no batter. Hi everybody, we finished the banana bread,